since the day that you went away. You went away. You've been sending flowers, flowers to me. Flowers today, flowers today.
What's good, everybody? It's your girl Renee here, back again with another video. Today we're making these ceramic gingerbread houses that you're seeing all over the place in retail stores and of course on your FYPs if you have TikTok. But I'm going to show you how I made this one right here, which is kind of your traditional gingerbread house with the fake candies on it, of course. Or you can stick with the more classic, just icing on your gingerbread houses. Isn't that cute? So if you guys want to see how I did this, stay tuned. So I found these little ceramic houses at a thrift store, and the first thing I'm going to do is paint it all white because I need a clean base to work with. Next I'm going to paint them brown. This is what it looks like with the first layer, and this is what it looked like before. And now that I'm done with almost 3 layers, I'm going to go ahead and protect them with this matte spray paint, just a clear coat. Once the clear coat is done, I went ahead and took my puff paint as well as my white Sharpie markers, just to fill in some little gingerbread details, and kind of give back the house the original details that it had before, to make it look like icing. After I was done with the paint pens, I went ahead and took the puff paint and just put it on the top of the house to make it look like snow. Now the puff paint is optional. You can just use the Sharpie markers if you want, but I liked doing this just because it looked like how we used to put icing, the leftover icing on the top of the houses, just to not waste it, but also make it look like it just freshly snowed. I also put some on the chimney because it just was not giving with just the paint marker by itself, so of course I had to add that little extra puff. And this is the final product. I also did a separate one right here which has gumdrops and a little mint. This is from your craft store. Honestly, I bought it so long ago that I completely forgot I had it, but it was just so cute not to add it, so I did leave one plain and one, of course, adding all the little candy that I did have around the house. And maybe one day I'll have a gingerbread to add to the gingerbread house. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I'm only 2 subscribers away from 500. So of course, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at OneDayRenee. I'll see you next time.